I want to let you know that your UK PayPal account can receive funds in different foreign currencies, be it in dollars, euros, pounds, Canadian dollars, you can just name it. And the PayPal account already has a currency converter. So once you receive funds in any currency, it will be converted to the primary currency. What do I mean by this? Take for instance, you're using a UK PayPal and then you receive funds in dollar. Now that money you receive in dollar will be converted to pounds, and you're going to be seeing that in your PayPal balance in the Great British Pounds. Hey guys, welcome to Cash Empire Revolution, and I'm your host, Coach Blessing. In today's episode, we are going to be answering a question that someone or one of our subscribers asked in our previous video. If you have not watched that video, please go back and watch it. I taught us how to connect our UK bank account to our PayPal account. So the person asked a question, and the question reads us: can a UK PayPal account receive dollars? That's a very interesting question, and that is the reason why I'm making this video. If this is your first time coming across our channel, welcome to Cash Empire Revolution with Coach Blessing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you always stay updated with our latest videos and updates. Now let's get started. Join me as I share my screen and walk you through the process on how you can make US dollar your primary currency. And this is not just peculiar or limited to US dollar alone. You can decide to make any currency your primary currency, even if you're using a UK PayPal account. So whichever currency you choose as your primary currency is what you're going to be seeing in your PayPal balance. I know that this is going to help you to have peace of mind, especially if you're receiving funds in dollar. So you don't have to go through the stress of trying to, trying to figure out if the money you receive is exactly the amount you're seeing, because it's now being displayed in British pounds. So that confusion, we are going to take care of that today. Okay, so follow me while I share my screen and walk you through the process on how you can make US dollar your primary currency, even though you are using a UK PayPal account. Let's get started.
Nice. Okay, guys, let's get to it. So, like I said during the introduction, I want to show us how we can make any currency our primary currency on our UK PayPal. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account. So once you're on your PayPal account, you're on your home page. Of course, this is a UK PayPal, and that's exactly why the PayPal balance is showing in pounds. But let's assume that most of your earnings or your payments are coming in dollars, and you're finding it difficult to understand how the PayPal conversion works. PayPal actually have what we call a currency converter. So any amount you receive will be displayed in your primary currency. Now you want to change your primary currency to dollars. So all you need, let me also make this clear. You see, this account can receive money in different currencies. Now you want to make dollar your primary currency. First, you need to log into your account, and then you go to wallet. So once you click on wallet, so it opens up a page here showing you your PayPal balance, and then asking you to convert currency or to add a currency. Now we want to add a currency because we want to make that currency our primary currency. So you click on add a currency here. So once you click on add a currency, now it says when you add a currency, any payment you receive in that currency would be credited to that balance. We will use primary currency when you send or request payment. Now I think this is very clear. So they said when you add a currency, when you receive money in that currency, you're going to be seeing the balance of the money you've received in that currency separately under that account. But your main primary currency will still show the currency of the PayPal, which you have set as your primary currency. I hope that's clear. So now we want to add US dollar as a currency. So you search for it here, you just scroll down. Now this is our US dollar. So you can actually receive money in all these currencies you're seeing here. So you select US dollar and then you click on add a currency. So it says you added the US dollar. So you click on done. And then if you see here, it's now giving you a breakdown of the transactions of for each currencies, or the balance for each currencies. For pounds, we have about 49 pounds and 9 pence. But we want to make US dollar our primary. Here it's showing that our primary is in GBP, which is British pounds. So now you click on this icon here, this three dot here, and then once you click on it, it says make primary. So let's select make primary. Now, we want to confirm. It say make this your primary currency. You should be able to see your total balance in this currency if you have multiple currencies in your wallet. So we say set as primary. US dollar is now your primary currency, and we'll use your primary currency when you send or request payment. So you click on done, and that is it. So as you can see, our PayPal balance has been converted from GBP to USD. So this is how you select your primary currency, and you can always change this in your setting following the procedure I have just shown us. Now let's go back to our home. So virtually we are seeing 49.9 as GBP, because that was our primary currency when we receive all this payment. So but in consequent time, when we start getting paid now, if the money is coming in dollars, it's going to have its own balance here. The one that's coming in pounds will have its own balance here, and that's how you get it very easy. You understand your payment and your actual amount from each currency. So let's go back to home here. So you see, our primary currency is now showing in USD, okay, and it's also showing in pounds as well, because most of our payments before now we are in pounds. All right, so that is it. If you have questions or anything that you want me to help you understand as regards to PayPal account, please drop your comments um, in this video, and I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you.